Every organization impacts the environment, whether through energy consumption, waste production, or emissions. But how can businesses ensure they operate sustainably while staying competitive? The answer is ISO 14001. ISO 14001 is the world's most recognized environmental management standard, helping organizations reduce their environmental footprint and meet legal requirements. But what exactly is ISO 14001? Why is it important? And how can your organization benefit from it? Stay with us to find out. ISO 14001 is part of the ISO 14000 family of standards specifically designed for environmental management systems, EMS. It was first introduced in 1996 by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, and has since undergone several updates, with the latest version being ISO 14001-2015. In simple terms, ISO 14001 provides a structured framework for businesses to manage their environmental responsibilities effectively. Whether it's reducing waste, conserving energy, or complying with regulations, this standard helps companies create a systematic approach to sustainability. Sustainability isn't just an ethical choice, it's a business necessity. Organizations that adopt ISO 14001 experience several benefits, such as compliance with environmental laws, avoid fines and penalties by meeting legal requirements. Cost reduction, efficient resource management helps reduce waste and operational expenses. Improved reputation, consumers prefer eco-friendly brands, making ISO 14001 a competitive advantage. Increased business opportunities, many clients and stakeholders favor businesses with certified environmental policies. ISO 14001 follows a structured approach known as the Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA Cycle), ensuring continuous improvement in environmental performance. Let's break it down. Plan, identify environmental aspects, set objectives, and develop a management framework. Do, implement policies, train employees, and establish processes to meet environmental goals. Check, monitor and measure progress, conduct audits, and track compliance. Act, take corrective actions, make improvements, and enhance sustainability efforts. This cycle allows organizations to continuously improve their environmental impact while maintaining compliance and efficiency. ISO 14001 is beneficial for organizations across all industries, including manufacturing, reducing waste, emissions, and resource consumption; IT and technology, managing electronic waste and energy use in data center; construction, implementing sustainable building practices and reducing site pollution; retail and hospitality, minimizing plastic usage and improving energy efficiency. Regardless of size or sector, any organization looking to enhance its environmental responsibility and legal compliance can benefit from ISO 14001 certification. To become ISO 14001 certified, organizations must follow these steps. Understand the standard, learn ISO 14001 requirements, and assess how they apply to your organization. Develop an environmental management system, EMS. Create policies, procedures, and sustainability goals. Implement the EMS, train employees, and integrate environmental practices into daily operations. Conduct an internal audit. Identify areas for improvement before external evaluation. Pass the certification audit. An accredited body will assess your compliance and issue certification. Maintaining certification requires regular audits and continuous improvements to your environmental policies. Want to gain in-depth knowledge of ISO 14001 and how to implement it? The ISO 14001 course by the Knowledge Academy covers everything from fundamentals to certification. Learn from industry experts, get practical insights, and boost your career with an internationally recognized certification. Join today and start your journey towards a sustainable future. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more valuable content. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.